Hey everybody, it's Professor Diffley, Philosophy 220, Criminal Justice Ethics. This is lecture video 3 for chapter 8 here. So we are, this is the last video where we're talking about capital punishment, the death penalty. Again, this is just continuing with this. This is, as I said, this capital punishment is the big issue. Proponents argue death serves as just retribution. Again, that's sort of the retribution right there, that it prevents future murders and costs less than life imprisonment. Those are the arguments for. Against, does not serve as just retribution, doesn't deter, and it can cost more for the life in prison in terms of these are expensive sometimes to carry out these executions. And that, these are the arguments for it, against it. In my own editorializing, I'm unsure sometimes how I come down on this. I do think that sometimes it really doesn't do anything. Death penalty, people that are going to commit some of these crimes that would get them death don't care anyway. They're willing to take that chance. Others, and sometimes I feel like people should just rot away in a prison. Better for their lives than that easy way out there. I understand how people who have been victims of this, right? Someone murders a close loved one or something like that. Of course, you're going to want a retribution. I think that is human in many ways. It doesn't necessarily make it right, but that's the way it is. But this is a tricky situation. I also don't want to go too much into my views because I don't want them to influence your discussion board answers there. And give me your reasons for why you see this one way or the other. Really take a look at those videos I gave. They come from all different sources there. Everything from Vice News to something on HBO, I think ABC, one of the big channels. All these different views of the death penalty. Take a look at it. And that's the question. Is life in prison more severe? Some say that life imprisonment is a less severe penalty because you're taking a person's life away. Others would argue, but yes, you're taking their life away, but it's the easy way out. They don't have to rot in jail. They don't have to face all of that and live with it every day, is what many argue. And that's the idea, that life is actually worse because there's no hope, there's no end to it. There's going to be, tough to be in prison. That's the way it's supposed to be, that sort of thing. So it goes back and forth, really, the views on this. And so really explore this in the discussion board here. Again, tell me how you truly feel on this. Be open and honest about it. Again, take a look at those videos. Take a look at the required readings, all the links, and all the slides and all of that. And let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions about this, the exam coming up, anything, just get in touch. All right, good luck, folks.